Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you what is effect tab in TikTok. So let's get started. So basically the TikTok effect tab is a tab. It is published when a new tab is automatically created on the profile page. Okay. So the each effect tab, the entry will show the information such as the effect name, icon and the number of the videos posted related to that tab. So basically this tab shows the, like for example, if I have a Christmas filter, it will show in the Christmas effect tab how many videos has been posted related to this. So this is the effect tab, and this is how it works. If you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.